Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can get the text from a video. So often we require the text from any of the videos. Maybe you were watching on YouTube or somewhere else. So I'll show you how you can get the text or the dialogues that the actors are delivering in the videos. So to do that, we'll use Wizard. That's one of the finest tool that I've seen with a lot of AI tools. So yeah, so using Wizard you can easily get the text from a specific video. So it supports over 30 languages online. So accuracy is almost 98%. Of course it's a AI tool, so it's not 100%, but yeah, this is very legitimate tool that you can use. Great. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, go to this tool. I'll give the link below. Click on sign up for free. Sign up with your email. Okay. So what you can do is you can upload from a link. If you have the link of that video, you can give it here, maybe YouTube link, or you can directly upload your file here, local video. So yeah, a few other options are there. I haven't tried this one though, import from Zoom. So go ahead and give it a try. So I have tried this and I have tried this. So I've also uploaded one of the demo videos from YouTube. So I'll show you how it looks like. So once you upload the video here, right, or maybe just give the link here to the AI, click continue, it will do the rest. Oops, let me go to workspace. Yeah, so let me show you this, how it looks like. So once you upload the video or get it from one of the links that you have, you can see what the actor is saying in that video.
Okay, so I'll start. The first and most important place to start is
so if you think something is not good, you can click and you can edit this, right? Cool. So you can copy paste that. Of course you can edit the video as well according to you, but I'm not going there. Okay. So this is one of the easiest ways that I have found when it comes to downloading or getting the transcribe from a specific video. This is very easy. So I think that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.